So finally, I am ready now. It's time to search for a good restaurant to have my lunch. It's around 2:30 p.m. And yes, tying up my shoelace. And yeah, let's hit it for the lunch. So I was looking for a place to eat, and I just found out a restaurant right opposite to my backpackers Adobe hostel, which is Chopstick Resto and Bar. So let's check it out. So finally, I have decided what to eat. So first, I've ordered some virgin blue lagoon, and after that, I'm gonna have some soup. So and with some starters, not much heavy. My stomach is not good, so let's have something very light for the lunch because I'm gonna save it for my dinner. Food looks delicious, so I can't wait anymore. And I have this beautiful girl with me. She's so sweet. She asked me if she can take a picture of mine. Please say hi to my people. She's so cute. And yes, finally my lunch is here. Let's not wait anymore. I have ordered a hot and sour soup and super hungry to have it in front of me, and some dragon chicken. Yes, I don't know if I can finish it off or not, but I'm superbly hungry right. So yeah, let's just jump it into the food.
The ambience of this restaurant is pretty decent. I'm just sitting by the window looking at everything in the MG Marg. The view is fantastic, and I've decided to sit here for quite some time because I love the music, I love the vibe of this place. This is also a restaurant cum bar, so you can check it out. It's the drink here as well. The food was amazing. I love Chinese food, and the taste is authentic Indian Chinese cuisine. So yeah, a big thumbs up for the taste, and the price per head is also decent.
So done with the lunch for today. Right now I'm sitting in MG Mark, which is beautifully decorated with flowers in the mountains. See right behind me. And yes, the lunch was too filling. I'm feeling a little overeaten, I think. So I'll walk the whole this MG Mark, and it's beautiful to just even walk and spend the time alone. So it's getting a little foggier here because evening is approaching, and so I've put on my trench coat. Feeling a little cold, but not that much. Meanwhile, I'm enjoying this beautiful flowers in the MG Mark. The MG Mark is beautifully decorated with these flowers. These are hill station flowers. Looks absolutely gorgeous. evening in Gangtok right now, and I'm having a cup of cappuccino and some fries for my evening munch. I'm at a cafe, a beautiful small cafe called Kelly's Cafe in MG Marg Gangtok. Such a beautiful, nice ambience place. I'm going to give you a tour of the entire cafe. It's really nice to sit around and enjoy a cup of coffee, which I'm having right now, and some good music playing around.
What I love about this cafe is the ambience, the decor, and the people here. They're absolutely amazing. The price is very decent. I just had a cup of cappuccino and fries, but the way they presented everything, it was amazing. So do check it out. Kelly's Cafe in Gangtok. It's 9:30 p.m. in the evening and I'm walking on Gangtok MG Marg. I'm looking for a place to eat. I've decided to try something absolutely new that I have not tried before, and just find out a place called Ohan Naga, which they serve authentic Naga dishes. So let's check it out.
It's the end of the day and I have come for my dinner, and for dinner I have thought why not to try something authentic Nagaland dishes, and for which I have come Ohani Naga. It's a Naga food special restaurant, and I have ordered their Ohani special, yes thank you, special thali, which have a smoked beef as a main course along with some sticky rice and some coke. So I'm waiting for the thali. I'm feeling super hungry as well. So in mountains you eat a lot, but then you digest easily because you walk on all the up and down hills. And yes, let me just finish off with my dinner for today, and let's enjoy together. Got my food. Here it is. This looks amazing. It tastes too, because I've already started eating and I forgot to vlog. So cheers to this. So this is the beef curry that I was talking about. It looks very black, like charcoal black. And then there's this chutney, tomato chutney, and one poached eggs, some salad, and this red rice. Yeah, it tastes really tribal kind of stuff, and it's a very smoky. Flavors are absolutely smoky. So the best thing about this place is the music. Like, they're playing all my favorite tracks. That's the best thing about them. So finally done for the day. Dinner is over. It's time to head towards my hostel. And yes, I need a good tight sleep. See you guys on my next video actually. Take care. Bye-bye.
Do give this video a thumbs up if you liked watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. More videos are coming on my channel, so stay tuned and press the bell icon to never miss a video. Take care. Bye-bye.